on the In Wheel Time Car Talk Show for the car review.
We're going to talk about the 2023 Kia
Oh, my
Niro
God.
PHEV SX Touring.
Mars?
Now,
Mars?
No. I got work to do here. Leave me alone.
LMNOP.
So this is a compact crossover available in 5 trim levels: LX, EX, EX Touring, SX, and SX Touring. Now,
The other one's got
this
6.
vehicle is available in 3 different electrified power plants. You can get a hybrid, you can get a plug-in hybrid, or you can get an all-electric in one of these trim levels.
Fully
and mine is the plug-in hybrid is the one that we had. Again, we're talking about a compact crossover. The styling on this vehicle follows along the lines of the EV6. It's just a little bit larger. It's black C-pillar trim on it that comes up onto the back C-pillar that's really kind of
Unique.
one of those things. Unique is a good way to put it. Either you like it or you kind of don't like it so much. Of course, it comes with LED lighting. The headlights, fog lights, tail lights are all out there. Up front, you're going to find rain-sensing wipers. Got power folding side mirrors. Got the smart power liftgate on it. Got a power sunroof, and it comes with 16-inch wheels standard, but we happen to be on 18-inch alloy wheels because we were in the SX Touring model, so it's top of the line. We also, when you get into the inside, we're going to find that we've got the Syntex seating surfaces. The front seats are heated. The second row outboard seats are heated, so we got heated in the second row. The drivers, for the center stack, it's standard with an 8-inch monitor on it. We had the 10.25-inch touchscreen where you're going to find your nav and your convenience controls. And the driver has a 10.25-inch driver screen where he's going to find all his controls that we used to call a gauge package. It also has a very good Harman Kardon audio system in it. And it has some other pretty good technology. It has 5 USB ports, has a wireless charging, but it does not have a wireless connection. You have to plug it in to use your CarPlay or Android.
Bluetooth.
It doesn't. That connection doesn't make it. It's kind of weird not to have that with everything else that it's got.
What the heck?
So up under the hood, it had a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motor. Produces 139 combined horsepower. It's backed by a 6-speed dual clutch transmission. Now the EPA says on the EV and the gas combination, you're looking at 108 miles to, I guess, what the equivalent of a gallon of gas, or 48 miles to gallon gas only in the combined. Now, I drove this vehicle 405.6 miles, and I got 40.2 average just off the fuel across there, and I thought it was great. I put some gas in it before I sent it back to the press fleet, and I was amazed at what 5 gallons of gas would do to the range on that thing. I like this vehicle. It's got very quiet in the urban driving situations. Out on the highway, it's got a little bit of road noise, but crank up the Harman Kardon and you don't even notice it. And so I would say it's more of an urban type vehicle, more inside the city than out on the highway. It does come, I wanted to note, with the 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty includes the EV components. Base trim price on the base model of this is $26,590. Now, the base trim price for the SX Touring that we were driving is $39,490. Our as-tested price, $41,635 for that vehicle. Now, if you're looking to compare it to, it kind of because of the sizing, it's a little bit, but you can look at the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid for $27,970 start. The Honda CR-V has a hybrid starting at $32,400, and even get into a Toyota Prius for $27,450. And that, gentlemen, as again, I said, I like driving that car around town. I thought it was pretty good. And that is my review of the 2023 Niro PHEV SX Touring.
Spell Niro.
Doodah.
Niro.
K-O-N-A.
Niro. I'm ignoring what you're saying.
Niro. N-I-R-O P-H-V.
Niro. PHEV.
PHEV. What?
SX Touring.
SX Touring.
Hey, real quick. Lifelong friend of mine lives in Castle Rock, Colorado. Listening to the show. He is driving up to the mountains to Glenwood Springs. He spent 3 days in the mountains looking at all the lovely, lush changes of colors. Todd Sheldon, degree.
Okay.
Just saying that.
Time out.